If you feel lost after divorce, there's a reason, and it's not what you think. It's not all just emotional that's going on, it's at identity level. Hi, I'm Teresa Sahi at Empower the Dream, and next chapter, life coaching. Most people think they just need time or healing or clarity, but that doesn't actually get to the root of the problem. The real issue is you don't know who you are anymore. That's why you need more than healing. Yes, time and healing are definitely needed and will definitely help you, but not to the point or preparation to truly move on without risking step back or getting stuck or spinning your wheels, thinking all is better now, thinking I am feeling better now, so I'm ready to move on. You may find yourself then stuck again or reliving past emotions, getting triggered. You end up having one foot on the gas and one foot on the brake, so to speak. You're remembering things that in the past that didn't feel good. Time is needed, but you must embrace going deeper into who you are, who you were in that relationship, and who you want to become. That's why you may need to rebuild your identity. This is about the version of you, the woman who showed up and played certain roles in that relationship automatically, had certain beliefs about what you wanted in that marriage, how and then how you behaved within that, how you did things, what you said, what you expected, what you thought was fulfilling, your demeanors, actions, words, the whole dynamic of it. And then along the way, things got rough. Things didn't turn out as expected. You got hurt, reacted in certain ways that you may not be proud of, or just reacted based on not really knowing how to handle it. Those emotions build up inside of you, more and more layers stacking upon you, stacking upon one another. And then it includes who you saw your partner, who he was, and who he's becoming, how that affected you, seeing him change, perhaps the things he may have said to you or done to you, how that affected you, and then how you believed in yourself, what you could and couldn't do, your confidence. See, it just becomes layer on top of layer. Pretty soon, you're lost underneath all of that, all creating pockets inside your heart, your mind, and cells of memory. When that happens, we begin to generate a life from those locked in feelings and beliefs and memories, not from our true authentic self. From avoidance starts to happen, closing down, not trusting them, and not even trusting yourself. So when we think we're ready to move on without addressing this on an identity level, it's easy to get stuck again and stuck in that past, repeating the same old painful situation again. Start remembering what happened, what your ex said, triggering hurtful emotions, who you may have became angry, like I said, closed down, that loss of confidence. And definitely the one thing you don't want to do is to create anything that's going to hurt you in the future again. So this is exactly why I have a proven framework that catapults you out of the past and into the here and now, naturally pulling you into the future that is based on new awareness. It's not about fixing you, it's about who you are becoming the version of you that is lifted up and choosing you on all levels. The version that you will experience more love, more confidence, more greatness. You become agency for yourself. You show up more authentic, naturally based on the experiences that you've had, naturally, not based on the experiences that you had or the beliefs that were handed down to you that may have shaped the version of you in that relationship. This framework is not dictating to you who you need to be, but holding you in a container with safety, with love, personal empowerment, and you're safe to grow from that point forward and safe to let go of what no longer you need or want into your life. So if this makes sense to you and you want more, I'm going to link some videos at the very end that are more conversations about the framework, go into the 3 steps of that, and just explain a little bit more about that. So I will link those up there, the top below, the very end. And I also can link at the end of this video, or actually down in the description, if you feel like you want more of this conversation right now, I can offer you a complimentary, no strings attached conversation that explains the framework to you and in your specific situation. So that'll be in the description. And then also in the description, I'll give you a free link to a resource that will guide you into beginning the process of identity rebuilding. Okay, my love, that's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful to you. This is Teresa from Empower the Dream, Next Chapter Life Coaching. We work with women over 40 who are ready to make their next chapter, their best chapter, moving on from divorce or any other major life transition where they feel that it got them stuck, but they're not staying there anymore. Anyway, that's who we work with. So I'm going to sign off now. Thank you for watching. Namaste.